You burning bridges with punk dudes and dumb witches. Got the Heisman for hard rhyming, the buckets for causing ruckus. You rising like blood diamonds and selling ducats. This ain't no weed, Ray. Ain't no witch either. It's what the streets say, so don't you snitch neither. Keep staring in the eye of the storm, and it won't be too long till the thunder is gone away. ¿Qué tú haces? DOJ, mi hermana. ¿Qué pasa, amigo? ¿Qué pasa?
Escucha así, yo dones, vamos a jugar el juego, amigos. El ritmo de música buena es la vida de la fiesta. Laced up, naked from the waist up, in the gutter face up, clutching my champagne cup. Eyes like a protester getting maced up. Strange love we got for the places that we came up. The Bronx rise if I only get my game up. Fake blood in the club, people spark your flames up. Games up, thought people getting framed up. Stories the same, the game got rearranged. Mock a millionaire while my rock's flying out of range. What? The range for Dr. Cut, pay up. Al Capone spraying, Bennett ain't no myth, life is fair. Charles Smith trying to make a layup. Escucha así, yo dones, vamos a jugar el juego, amigos. El ritmo de música buena es la vida de la fiesta.
Cause no other brother can come in and run in the show like I do this. Ready to anyone cause I'm the one in the milk it. Never did the crime so I won't do the bid. I never have to borrow so you'll never have to lend. And if you come in the dance on the down low. Cause I like to rip the rhyme at each and every show, yo. And if you don't know, yo, your daughter will remind you. After every rhyme, girl, show me that. From New York to North Carolina. From the 5 train to the Baychester diner. From South America to Asia Minor. They love to kick back over contour recliner.
That's it.
¿Qué tú haces? Tío,
That's it.
tío J. Mi hermano, ¿qué pasa, amigo?
I came of age in the haze of the back rage. The Bronx burning and blazing on the back page. Daily news is lady sings the blues. If I catch some cats with my girl's purse, I'ma cut them dudes. It's unilateral invasion of the body snatchers. It's collateral, they count what everybody catches. And this racket keeps pushing you backwards. The cameras keep catching what they don't want to capture.